The demand for high-quality liquid soap continues to rise as customers seek products that combine cleanliness, care, and comfort. To remain competitive in today's market, manufacturers must focus not only on production efficiency but also on delivering consistent quality. Soap that feels luxurious, perform effectively, and maintain stability over time. Before I tell you ways to improve the quality of your liquid soap, ways to enhance the quality, I wanted to remind you that this is Crystal DIY. Subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. You don't pay for that. Then turn on your notification button so that whenever I upload videos, quality videos and educative videos like this, YouTube will notify you. It's also a way of encouraging me to do more quality videos for you. Thank you for subscribing. So let's dive into the main reason we are here. Use high quality raw materials. The foundation of any quality product lies in the material used, right? So select high purity surfactants like high quality tazapon, SLS, sulfonic acid, depending on the formulation, and also nitrosol, pack out, anyone at all that you're using. Make sure you get it from a trusted vendor. Don't use dirty water, use clean water. It will minimize impurities that can cause cloudiness on spoil or even spoil your soap. Think clean, consistent raw material ensures that every batch meets high performance and good standard, right? Number 2 is follow accurate formulation. Accuracy is key in chemical formulation. Each ingredient, ranging from thickener, surfactant, must be measured and added in exact proportion. Even slight variation can disrupt the pH balance, are you aware? Alter viscosity or even cause instability. Standard operating procedures and calibrated equipment help ensure repeatable accuracy, resulting in consistent texture, clarity, and performance across all production runs. So you need measuring scale. You need a calibrated cups. Some of you will go to where they are selling a chemical. You start telling them, put 5,000 naira on chemicals for me. Those people, they don't measure those things, and that is why you make your liquid soap. Today it will turn good, tomorrow it's not good. But using your hand to measure what you are working with will help you. So it will save cost for you also, and it will also help you to maintain consistency and accuracy. Monitor pH level. An ideal pH ranges from 7 to 9. Ensure the soap is both effective and gentle on the skin. So regular monitoring with pH meters or test kits helps maintain balance, prevent irritation, and extend shelf life. Ensure perfect mixing. Uniform blending is perfect for smoothness and consistency. High efficiency mixers ensure that all ingredients are evenly distributed and that no separation occurs during storage. Do you understand? Then in this part of mixing, you also need to allow the ingredients that you are using for this liquid soap production to mix properly, to dissolve properly. For example, if you're mixing SLS, allow your SLS to dissolve properly, then dissolve your sulfonic acid and your tazapon properly before mixing them together. And also you have to control mixing speed and duration to prevent air bubbles. Though this one it will still clear off if you leave it for some times, like 24 hours, right? This also helps to improve if you mix it very well, perfectly well, it will improve viscosity and also enhance the soap overall appearance. A well mixed product is not only more appealing but also more stable over time. So you need to bring out your time and your energy to mix it perfectly well how it's supposed to mix, you can buy hand mixer to help you ease the stress, right? Conduct quality control testing, right? Quality control is the heart of manufacturing excellency. Each batch should be tested for clarity and appearance to ensure the product is visually appealing. Yes, and you also check viscosity to achieve the desired thickness and feel. Then foaming properties, you also check it to meet consumers' expectation for lathering and foaming bubbles and all that. Then microbial safety, this is to guarantee cleanliness and shelf stability. So comprehensive testing and documentation confirms that every batch meets established specification before packaging and distribution, right? So quality control is very, very important if you want to improve the quality of your liquid soap production. If you want to enhance it, this is for you. Always conduct rigorous quality control. Ensure proper packaging and storage. Packaging has a way of playing a vital role in products preservation and also brand presentation. You need to use sterile and airtight and even UV resistant containers to prevent contaminations and protect against sunlight and also oxidation. Then finished products must be stored in a clean, cool and dry environment to maintain quality and consistency and even freshness, right? If you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Continuous improvement and innovation. As a manufacturer, you need to get feedback from your customers, people that use your product. Ask them, tell them to give you honest review, either good or bad. From so doing, you will get a feedback that will help you to improve your product. Also test new formulation and also adopt emerging technology such as natural surfactants, biodegradable ingredients and automated quality monitoring system. And all this innovation ensures the product remain competitive and align with customers' trend for safety. Standing on an existing protocol, producing high quality liquid soap is both a science and an art. It also requires accuracy, discipline and a deep understanding of every stage. Understand the raw materials you're using. SLS, what is the work of SLS in your production? What is the work of Tezapon in your production? What is the work of the Nitroso? Nitroso is not only the thickener we have, there is other thickeners. You test them out. What is the work of it? Can I substitute this to this? That is what a manufacturer should know, right? When each element is executed with care, the result is more than just a cleaning product. It is a reflection of craftsmanship, reliability and trust. So just tell yourself today that I will be making a very quality liquid soap. Know what your liquid soap is all about. Know what the ingredients you're using. Know what it's all about. SLS is not must you use SLS. It's not must you use Tezapon, right? You can use SLS and just sulfonic acid in your production. It will give you the same product. Know that this one is thickener, this one is surfactant, this one is this one is that. Use clean water and also test your pH level in your soap production, right? Ask your customers to give you feedback. Giving you feedback will help you to improve in your production, right? Thank you. I will always want you to succeed. I love you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in my next video.